Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the right lid hinge in your GE washer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4-inch bit, needle nose pliers, and a Phillips bit. Remove the 2 screws. Roll the hinge in a 90-degree motion to remove. To install the new right lid hinge, align the lid with the hinge hole and insert the end of the hinge. Roll the hinge back into position. Rethread the 2 screws.